Today we'll talk about what is chemistry and what are its basics. In everyday life, there is small changes we can observe. One small changes you can see in kitchen, that is a card formation. Okay. Another one you have seen is the rusting of iron. These are the chemical changes which takes place in our daily life, and you have also seen baking soda reaction, sodium chloride dissolved in water. These are the chemical substances. Sodium chloride is what? It is a table salt. We eat it every day. NaHCO3 is a baking soda mostly used in kitchen for cooking purposes, for making cake. Yeah, we have seen them. These are the chemical substances, and these are the small processes which takes place in everyday life. So we call it a chemical processes, which takes place through some chemical reactions by combination of some elements, some substances, atoms, chemical substances, molecules, elements. Okay, we are having fertilizers, pesticides, drugs, polymers. Polybags are polymers, made up of polymers, polybags, soaps, detergents, and much more. So we are completely surrounded by these chemical substances, chemical elements, chemical processes which are taking place. Some are small, taking place in a day, every day, taking years, rusting of iron, lot of years to complete the rusting of iron. So many years will take place for that. So it varies. So in short, we can say we are completely, our daily life is completely imbibed with the chemical substances, chemical processes, which are not all good, which are not all bad. These are good processes. Curd formation is a good formation. We are having it every day. Or good, right? So chemistry is completely imbibed in our daily life. There are various processes which are taking place. There are two main constituents which are required for the chemistry. They are mainly atoms and molecules. Atom is the smallest particle. Everything, we can say this book, this pen, this pencil, and human being, they are made up of atoms. And when one atom combines with another atom, it results in formation of a molecule. So this pencil contains small atoms. They are combined together, resulting in formation of a molecule, a compound, a substance, a mixture that can be anything. We'll talk about it later. What are all these? So what is atom and what is molecule? So one see what is the basic structure of atom? This is structure of atom. Atom is made up of a nucleus which has protons plus neutrons. This is nucleus. This is nucleus. Nucleus. Nucleus is a combination of protons plus neutrons. And around this nucleus, there are electrons. Electrons. This is the structure of atom. Okay. This is the structure of atom. And when one atom combines with another atom, the nucleus, it forms a molecule. Okay. Protons, neutrons are in nucleus and electrons are surrounding them. So this is a structure of atom. Okay. Next, we'll talk about what is matter. What is matter? See, matter is what is matter? Which has mass, which carries some mass and occupies some space, which has these two quantities, mass and space. Anything which carries a mass and occupies some space, that is known as matter. So we can say a book is a matter. It, we have said here we have said that it is made up of atoms, but it is a matter because it occupies some space and mass. Whenever we carry a book, it has some mass as well as occupies space. In same way, pen, in same way, pencil, in same way, human being. Don't confuse atom with matter. Atom is a small particle which is composition of a book. When we were talking about the book, that it is made up of atoms, and book can be considered as a matter in the way that it has some mass, space. We can say water is also a matter, air. Okay, we have 2 liter water in a glass, 2 liter glass. Okay, we know the weight of pencil, how much space it occupies. It occupies little space or no. We know the weight of human being. Suppose 75 kg required in space, occupies some space to fit in. Okay, so what is matter? Matter is a substance which has some mass and space. We have seen the example of some, we can say book, pen, pencil, human being. Okay, atom was the composition. They are made up of small atoms, but they have. We can say they have mass as well as space. That's why it is known as matter. Next, we'll talk about states of matter. There are 3 states of matter. First one is solid, second one is liquid, and third one is gas. Solid, sorry, this one is liquid, this one is solid, and this one is gas. There are three forms, three states. What is the difference between all the three? See, solid have definite volume as well as definite shape. How? We are having an ice cube here, right? This ice cube can fit in a particular space, and we know its definite volume also. We know how much space it will occupy and how much volume it will have, what is the shape. It will change after some process until some external force is applied or external thing is applied over there. Or we can take the another example is wood, a block, solid. That is a solid, a block of wood. It has definite shape as well as definite volume. Okay, why it has definite shape and definite volume? We have already said that any substance is made up of small atoms. So any wood contains small atoms, and these are completely closed packed with a great force of attraction. So due to that, they have definite shape. So we can say force of attraction in solid substances are high. Two molecules, they are strongly interconnected due to strong force of attraction. That's why they have definite shape and definite volume. So this is the reason why solid have definite shape and definite volume, because two atoms are completely, two molecules, they are completely packed due to small space between the two atoms. Whenever there is a small space, one atom is here, one atom is here, they are strongly connected. Whenever they are strongly connected, it's not easy to break them. The more force will be required to break them. When two atoms, they are far away. Suppose one atom is here, one atom is here. The gap is large. Less force will be required to break them, right? And another, if one atom is here and another atom is here, and between the force of attraction is very low, it will easily get break with a little force of attraction. So all these three are solid, liquid, and gas. Now see, in case of solid, in case of solid, two atoms, they are strongly connected, and in case of liquid, two atoms, they are carrying some space, and in case of gas, they are much far away. So this is the difference between these three strong force of attraction due to small space. Large space, less force of attraction. lesser force of attraction, right? So it's hard to break. Whenever there is a strong force of attraction, hard to break. Easy, more easy. So that's why solid have definite shape and volume, right? And liquid have definite volume, but no shape, no definite shape. And gas, neither volume nor shape. Why? Because of force of attraction. It carries strong force of attraction and it carries less force of attraction due to the gap, due to the distance between the two molecules. Okay, this is the reason why solids have definite shape, definite volume, liquid has definite volume but no shape, gas has neither volume nor shape. Okay, got it? Fine. Solid can be get converted into liquid in presence of heat and liquid to gas in presence of heat. It's also a reversible process. Gas can, after cooling, can get back to the liquid also, and liquid to solid after cooling to solid also. Okay, so this is the reason why solid, liquid, and gas have different shape and there is a difference between the shape and the volume. Okay, next we'll talk about